सुनील टिंगरे जी ने खुद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेके इसके बारे में सब कुछ उनको जो बताना चाहिए तो वो बताया। अभी उसको शुगर है, तो इसके लिए वो बीमार है। और क्या होता है, जब कभी टेंशन बढ़ जाता है, किसी को टारगेट करने की कोशिश होती है, तब जिसके बारे में होती है वो थोड़ा सा तबीयत उसकी खराब हो जाती है। इससे बहुत दफा हो जाता है, इसीलिए वो अभी आपके सामने नहीं आ रहा है। लेकिन उन्होंने बताया है, मैं उसके कांटेक्ट में हूँ, उन्होंने बताया कि दादा जो भी इंक्वायरी करनी हो, मेरी एक भी गलती इसमें नहीं है। और वो इंक्वायरी के लिए, सब इंक्वायरी के जो भी सवाल पूछेंगे वो सवाल को जवाब देने के लिए वो तैयार है।
Weeks after allegations are being leveled against MLA Sunil Tingre, in fact, in an exclusive conversation with a close aide of Sunil Tingre, he mentioned that the MLA is currently in Pune, but he is on a pilgrimage. In a few days is where he'll come forward and speak to media. This was a statement given by Sunil Tingre's close aide. In fact, Sunil Tingre is under the scanner in the Pune Porsche drunk driving case. But now, first time in the last 2 weeks is where we've seen the Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar has come ahead and has given a big support, or a clean chit for that matter, to Sunil Tingre. He said that Sunil Tingre has been unwell, he is suffering from sugar, and which is why he is stressed because of all these allegations that have been levelled by media against him. Now, speaking on Sunil Tingre, he said that Sunil Tingre has been asked to come forward, put forth his stance. Even before this, he'd already spoken to media, and there's nothing that Sunil Tingre has to hide. As an MLA of the area, he has all the rights to be at the police station where there have been 2 actions that have taken place in his jurisdiction. All of these he's mentioned while he was in Pune. In fact, when you speak of Ajit Pawar has also mentioned that a fair inquiry has been initiated. The system is looking into it. Even if Sunil Tingre was present at the police station, there was in no way that the investigation was hampered or harmed. In fact, he's also said that those who were present at Yerwara police station, the cops who are meddling with the case, an action has been initiated against them, and whoever is involved in the case, an action will be taken against them. However, here he's given a clean sheet to Sunil Tingre, but though there have been various questions that have been levelled on the role of Sunil Tingre in this case. In fact, right from being present at Yerwara police station to the allegation by Dr. Shrihari Halnur, who was arrested from Sassoon Hospital, he had said that there was a public representative on whose instruction they were working, on whose instruction they had swabbed the blood samples. All of this is now being investigated, but as of now, cops also from Pune police have stated that they have no allegation or they have no proof against Sunil Tingre in this case. Over the last couple of days, Sunil Tingre has been on the run. For the last 4 days, he has not returned home, which is why questions are being raised as to why MLA Sunil Tingre does not want to come forth and put his stance. Why is he on the run and why is he avoiding the media glare? However, in the first instance, where Sunil Tingre came forward and put his stance when he spoke to the media, he'd mentioned that he was in no way involved with this case. He was just present there as an MLA of that area because he received a call to come and look into the case. He knew the family just because they have a family relation. Tingre had mentioned that he knew the Agrawal family because he, in his earlier on in life, had worked with them. But however, he did not want to meddle with the case in any way. He said that he had assured the family that there will be a fair probe in this case. Following which this FIR was registered, after which Sunil Tingre had once spoken to the media, but ever since then he's been incommunicado. He's not been in the city. In fact, once when we'd spoken to him, he said he was in Solapur on a pilgrimage. All of these allegations are coming in against Sunil Tingre, which is where it has come to forth that he was not around. Cops have also said that Sunil Tingre is not under their radar. But however, considering the fact that he is an MLA from NCP Ajit Pawar faction, Ajit Pawar had not spoken on this all this while. Amidst all of this, Ajit Pawar finally, while interacting with media, has opened up about Sunil Tingre and has given him a fair assurance and a clean chit. What needs to be seen is that when will Sunil Tingre in fact come and speak to the media? Because the last when his close aide spoke to us, he said that Sunil Tingre is going to be speaking to the media soon in the next 2 days. What needs to be seen is that if there was these assurances have been given about Sunil Tingre since the last 4 to 5 days, but he has not spoken to the media despite all these assurances in the last 1 week. There was also a buzz that the party senior leaders have mentioned that Sunil Tingre should speak to the media. He's been asked to speak to the media, but he's been avoiding the media glare. Because amidst all this, the mother of the accused has also been arrested. She'll be questioned with the accused at Crime Branch Unit 4 where the accused's questioning takes place today after the permission from Juvenile Justice Board.